YouTube. I was thinking of making a build video of the pan and tilt, the CXN pan and tilt from Ready-Made RC. I got my servos now, the recommended servos on the Ready-Made RC website, so it's a Turner G. So as you can see the specification, TGI 50090M. So I'm not quite sure how many degrees they can turn. I was thinking of maybe swapping them out with some 180 degree servos, but for now I'm gonna build the pan and tilt. So this is for the MOBIUS and a security camera. So the MOBIUS is going here and the security camera is going there. So I'm just gonna glue this together. I think it's quite easy. So I use the CA glue. It hasn't dried, no. Like that. And I can have some kicker on it. Dries quite fast. And underneath we're gonna have this servo mount like this. That, and while that is drying, glue this together. Like that. It's easy. It's a quick build, and while that is drying, I can just open the bag from the servo and see. Maybe I will use this one here. this one maybe here. So I can click on this one as well. Like that. I'll just let this dry for a bit, and then I can just wipe off the kicker. And the pan and tilt is pretty much finished. I just have to mount the servos. So I'll let that dry and wipe off the excess kicker. I have wiped off the excess kicker. So I'm going to start with mounting the servo for that's going to be the pan. Oh, that's going to be the tilt operation, right? Isn't that correct? Tilt like that and pan like that. So part, but I think I will have to mount the servo first. So maybe I should, before I do that, maybe I should connect them to receiver and make sure that they are centered, because I don't have a servo tester, so I can. So I will just hook them up to a receiver and make sure that the servos are centered before I do anything else. Yes, I have now centered the servo, so it should be fine. So let me just see how this is supposed to be. I don't think it matters in which direction it moves. It's placed. So this one is going to be like this. I think I'm going to have the servo mounted like that, so this is going to be mounted like this. So I will just put that in like that and see if I'm able to screw on this. What hole? Second hole. Seems like these. Oh, sorry, I'm totally out of camera. I'm not paying attention here. So it seems like the screw is supposed to go into the second hole from the from center and out, and the screw is way too big. So I will have to make the hole a little bigger. Okay, I made made some holes in it, and I'm gonna mount the screws in. Like this. I'm not gonna glue it because I want to make it easy to change the servos if I want to. So it was a tight fit there. That's okay. So it's going to be like this. And then I can just put this one in like this. And if I turn on my radio.
Welcome to Toronto's.
I connect the servo to channel 7. The other one. It's going to be like this. So the turn is not that great. I'm not sure if it's the servo or if it's my radio. I haven't figured that out yet. I have mounted this on my side puddle here on my Taranis radio. So I'm gonna do a mod on this. I'm gonna, it's not part of this video, but I'm gonna put the pods and mount a joystick on the back on my radio. Anyhow, it's gonna be like this. And I'm gonna mount the tilt system onto here. So I will just see how much do I need. I can disconnect the radio now. I don't need that for the moment. I could mount the control horn to the servo like that. That's not going to move. And like this, I need something to make the this one shorter. So I can easily remove as much as that. Yeah. You can see that the light is not perfect. And I'm gonna remove this one. I don't need this one. Just unnecessary weight. And I think it's going to be the same for this one. Drill a hole with my my highly manual drill. I'm gonna bother with a drill for this. Come on. There we go. Like that. I can't shorten this one down just a tiny bit. The servo. does this fit? Yes, fit perfectly. So yes, I was not missing a screw, I was just using the wrong screws. So the screws that I mounted the servo here, I need to use for my tilt system. And I will have to use the servo screws actually here. So, but that's oh, so okay. So let's see. It seems like it's a bit. I wonder. So let's try to connect some power to it. So maybe I can swap out put the servo on the other way. Now I will have the leads out in the front. I don't know if that makes a difference. Let me turn on the radio.
Welcome to Toronto's.
And channel 6 and channel 7. And some power. I'll need to adjust some endpoints there. So this seems to be working quite well actually. And this. So if I now just remove this part from my Sky Mule, I don't think it's going to be like that. I think it's going to go like this. So I'll adjust the endpoint there. Yeah. You see, at least the pan servo could be 180 degree. So I can, you see, I need to be able to turn more than that. I need to be able to turn like at least like this, right? So I'm gonna buy myself a 180 degree servo. I think this is probably enough. They're quite powerful, I can feel them. So let's yeah. Well, I think my pan and tilt is now ready. I need some adjustment for the endpoints on the servo, so it doesn't budge too much. But I think this is okay. The only thing that I can see is that you see this screw here. This part here is I think the lighting is quite bad here. There. The screw is too long, so I can't screw it all the way in because it's gonna hit the servo in between here. And maybe, yeah, to make it better, it should have been a ball bearing or something like that. But it works. It works. Yes. So this concludes the build for the CXN pan and tilt from Ready-Made RC. Thanks for watching. Hi YouTube. I've just finished building my pan and tilt, mounted the camera on it. I just put some double-sided tape, and it's probably not going to be good enough, so I was hoping that maybe a tie strip or something like that will also help. It's not going to be pretty, probably, but. And then I'm thinking of just mounting the pan and tilt right in the middle, in between the hole for the wires, and then so just right in the middle of the platform here for my Sky Mule. That will give me full freedom for the pan and tilt to move, even though at this moment this bottom servo is not the best. I'm going to buy a 180-degree servo. Anyway, yeah. So I will just measure so that I'm in the center, and then make a hole for it and glue it. I find this is it's going to be quite top heavy, so maybe I will need to glue in some wood in here, and with the MOBIUS as well. Oh, sorry, I'm out of scope. So with the MOBIUS and the security cam, this is going to be quite top heavy, and this surface is all that is going to hold the weight. I do not believe that's efficient. That is not enough. So I will make myself a wooden platform here that I will glue in and make holes in that. So yeah, I'm going to do that just to make sure that we have enough, because I'm probably going to crash too. So well, I will do that and we'll see how it goes.